So now let's talk about how to install the plywood to the wall. So the studs are wood frames that support the wall, and they are behind the drywall, and drywall is attached to the studs. So we will secure the plywood with nails to the wall where the studs are. Okay, so let's just use this wall for demonstration. So using a stud finder, I'll show you how to find the studs in the wall. So let's get started. Okay, it begins from this point. Okay, let's find another one. So the reason why we nail it to the stud is because the drywall alone is not sturdier enough to hold the weight of the planks. So after we marked all the studs in the wall, we started planking from the bottom at the mantle and moved our way up towards the ceiling. Okay, now let me show you how to install plank. I'm just taking a paint stir stick for the demonstration. So hold your plank onto the wall, and using a level, make sure it's leveled. So I don't know if you can see this, but here it's not straight. So let's just tweak it a little bit. Okay, so now this is leveled, and now using the brad nailer, I'll be nailing the plywood into the wall where the studs are. So basically you'll be just, nailing it within this area right here, and within this area right here.